English questions and answers. Do you like your college?
Yes, I like it because the teachers are helpful and the environment is friendly.
What time do your classes start?
My classes start at 9 o'clock every morning, from Monday to Friday.
How many subjects do you study?
I study 5 subjects this semester, including English and science.
Who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is our English professor. She explains everything so clearly.
Do you go to the library often?
Yes, I go there after classes to read and study in peace.
What do you do during lunch break?
I usually sit with my friends, eat something, and relax for a while.
Do you live in a hostel or at home?
I live in a hostel because my home is far from this college.
Do you enjoy college events?
Yes, I love cultural events and sports day. They're really fun.
Do you talk with your classmates often?
Yes, we talk before and after class, and sometimes we study together.
What's the best thing about college life?
I think the best part is making new friends and learning new things.
How do you go to college every day?
I go by bike, it's fast and convenient for me.
Do you have good teachers?
Yes, most of my teachers are friendly and support us a lot.
Do you ever miss a class?
Only when I'm sick, otherwise I try to attend all classes.
Do you have practical classes too?
Yes, we have practicals in the lab once a week.
Do you take part in sports?
Sometimes I play volleyball with my friends after classes.
Do you get tired after college?
Yes, a little bit, but I take a rest and then feel better.
Do you study daily?
Yes, I study for 2 to 3 hours every evening.
Where do you study at home?
I study in my room where it's quiet and peaceful.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I enjoy reading both textbooks and storybooks.
Do you use your phone while studying?
No, I keep it away to avoid distractions.
Do you follow a study schedule?
Yes, I have a timetable that helps me stay organized.
When do you feel most focused?
I focus best in the early morning when it's quiet.
How do you prepare for exams?
I revise all topics, solve past papers, and practice writing answers.
Do you take breaks while studying?
Yes, I take a short break every 45 minutes to stay fresh.